Happy Memorial Day, YouTube. This is Waylon. I'm out here, got off work a little early. I'm at the creek, hoping to find something today. I got Sage's friend, Alex, over there, going his way. I'm going my way. We're going to see what we can find. It's already four-wheeler tracks, boot marks, but we're still going to give it a try. Just telling Alex that I think I got one right down here. It's not the best one. I can understand why they missed it. Let's see. Right here. Yeah. Thank you, Indian spirits. Let's take a look. I'm sure there's more.
A cool looking arrowhead.
Want to check it out? Right here at the tractor crossing. Sweet. What do you think, YouTube? Comment down below. Alex, you want to check it out, bro?
Almost looks like a crude knife, but no.
See how hard it was to see, though?
Yeah, I'm surprised you saw that.
If it was pink or orange or something like that, the other guy would have got it.
That's a nice one.
So,
dude.
see, I got... Let me get these other two out of my pocket in case you didn't watch the other video. I found this little broken hafted knife. Then I found this little stub of either a Scotch Bluff or a Sedalia. So, that's my find so far. Alex had this large piece of debutage, which is a flake knife. And he was digging around in the wall and dug this out and didn't even know what it was, right?
No.
It's either a hoe or an adze. I'd go with an adze because it's flat on the back. Yeah, so that's what we found. I'm going to stay a little longer.
I walked right past that too.
It happens. So let's take a look. Ooh, we just got ran out by a what?
By an irrigation guy.
Yeah, and I came out and saw this. Let me watch it. It's a hole, ain't it?
I think it was going to be one. But there's still that chip.
Pretty good.
And I found this fucking weird thing while running.